Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your default search engine in Google Chrome. So normally if you open Google Chrome and it might open to a Yahoo or some different browser that you don't want to use, I will show you how to change your default search engine. So just open up your Google browser, and if it's open the Yahoo search and you don't want to open it, what you can do is you can tap on these three dots in the top right corner and simply tap on this settings. Now in settings, you can see these options in the left side. You have to tap on this search engine. So this page right here, it says search engine used in the address bar. You can tap on this drop down and you have to make sure that it's Google here. Now if you open your new tab, it will always open the Google Chrome. You can also go to the manage search engines and site search. So you just want to make sure that Google is the default, as you can see it says right here, but that's the main thing you want to do. You can also go to default browser and make sure that your Google Chrome is the default browser as well. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to change default search engine in Google Chrome. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.